Now, if you wanted to earn money online from the comfort of your own home, this is perfect for what I'm gonna show you in today's video, and you won't need any money or a credit card to do it. So the method that I'm gonna teach you in today's video is for beginners, and it's extremely simple and takes around 20 minutes a day to complete, and you don't need any ability or expertise to do it. This website currently appeals to me because it provides an automatic PayPal depository within 24 hours, implying that you can obtain your money within 24 hours. It's incredibly quick and efficient, and you can receive money right away, and it's also completely free, so you won't have to spend anything to use this method, and it's also available worldwide, so anyone in any nation can do it after viewing this video. Right now, I'm gonna show you your PayPal profits. As you can see, completing a 5-minute simple task can earn you $25. A 10-minute task can earn you $75, and a 30-minute task can earn you up to $300. And I'll teach you how to accomplish things on your computer or phone, so make sure you stick around and don't miss any part of this video. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. Okay, so Validately is the website I'd like to present to you today. This is a totally new way that I'd like to show you how to execute step by step, but first, I'd like to demonstrate that PayPal accepts people from all around the world, as evidenced by the 200 countries and regions listed below, because they've collaborated with large names like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So this is unquestionably a legitimate company with a serious opportunity. Now, I'm gonna show you some real-life instances of what I'm gonna be demonstrating, so you can follow along with me step by step before testing out this website. So when you go to this website, you can also register as a tester and start making money online. However, it's important that you don't skip any portion of this video, since they will ask you a total of 16 questions which you must answer correctly in order for them to approve your sign-up. So before you go to the website and check it out for yourself, I want you to watch this video all the way through. I'm gonna click on this Create Account button right now, and as you can see, this is question number 1. I'm gonna do it live for you until question 16. I'm gonna offer you a real-life example and show you exactly how to do it so you can start earning money, so don't skip any steps. Now, I'm gonna come back here and finish my registration. Now, next, what kind of mobile device do you have? I have an iPhone, so I'll pick that. The next question is, what type of computer do you own? Would you choose a Mac or a Windows PC? In my case, I have a Windows PC. So I'm gonna click Next right here. What version of Windows do you use? I'm gonna choose Windows 10 here, so simply press the Next button. Next, select your gender by clicking on it. The 5th question is, what year were you born in? So now I'll just enter in my response and click the Next button. Now the next step is gonna be important, because if you select college graduate, you'll be offered a higher paying job because you're an adult with a source of income already, so I strongly advise you to select college graduate and then click on the Next button. And next, your employment status, which you can choose from self-employed, full-time, or part-time. I'm gonna choose self-employed, and then I'm gonna click Next to see what industry you work in. When you click on here for question number 8, you'll see that there are a lot of options, and you can even click on these to display additional results and have them show more results for you. Now I'll give you a bonus tip. If you work in the information technology field or something else related to software and computers, you'll make a lot more money on their website, so choose information technology and then simply press the Next button. As you can see, question 9 is a job title, so when I click on this tab right here, you can see that there are a lot of options to choose from. I'll select marketing and we'll search marketing techniques right here. Just type marketing and locate your search, and then just click Next. Okay, once your annual household income is displayed here, feel free to choose the option that best suits you. I'll choose Next and just click the Next button, and now it asks for an entire name, so I'll simply type it in here. Question 12, what is your email address? So right here, type in your email and then click Next. Question 13 is also important because they need your PayPal email, so that they can transfer the money to your PayPal account once you finish your job. So make sure that your YouTube is in the correct PayPal email. So once I've entered my PayPal email, I'll go to the following step. Question 14 is simple. Simply type in your password. Now we'll move on to question 15, which is really essential since they'll ask you what time zone you live in. Now, when you click on Detect My Location, you'll want to right-click on this link and select the time zone manually, and in any case, select the option that best suits you. Moving on to question 16, all you have to do is click Yes, I agree and sign up. After answering these 16 questions, you have successfully registered your account. I know that's a lot of questions and answers, but if you watch this video and copy precisely what I did, you can do it in under 2 minutes. As you can see, they're gonna give you a confirmation email, so make sure to check your inbox for a message from the website and then click the link in the email to activate your account. Now, after you click on the link, you'll be taken through a 1-minute screener test, and I'll show you precisely how to do it, as well as a live example of how you can make money on this website. And then, you can go ahead and click on the screener test right now by clicking on the screen button here. You can do this either on your computer or on your phone. It only takes around 1 minute to complete this task, which is really quick. Now, when you're activating your account, make sure you use Google Chrome on your phone or computer to open this page using the link in your email. Then, as you can see here, I'm gonna test the website with money. Click on this swipe button, and they'll give you a tutorial and you can watch the ads, but it's all really simple. This greenish little bubble here is what you can click to see what work you have to perform. So this is where your instructions will be displayed right here in this green wall, and then I'm simply gonna click on next. Now with this ball, you'll return to the top right hand corner where you may always click this to show or hide the assignment if you need it. So right now I'm gonna click OK, and I'm ready to start this test. To begin, please install the Validately extension by clicking on this white icon here. When I press this white button, you'll be taken to this page, which currently has over 30,000 users who are using it to test the website from their homes on their computers or phones, and you can earn PayPal money by doing so. Make sure you can add this blue button to your Chrome browser so they may use the software to begin testing websites on your computer and phone. Once you've downloaded the Google Chrome extension, you'll start receiving jobs like this one where they want you to test the Amazon website. This is one of the jobs that you might receive. All you have to do is go to the Amazon website and they'll provide you the link. All you have to do now is click on this link right here and go to the Amazon website. Step number 2, please take a look at the screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. Now, the reason you might want to take a screenshot or a photo is because they want us to provide evidence or proof that we actually visited the Amazon website. So all you have to do now is take a quick screenshot on your phone if you're using your phone right now. Or if you're using a computer, you can just use the print screen tool to take a screenshot of your entire screen, or you can use something like this, for example, a snipping tool, and then simply drag and then take a screenshot of the home page and then save the image right here. This is going to be the proof. Now on to step number 3. They wanted me to check if I could find that today's offer on Amazon and take a screenshot of it. So I'm gonna go to the Amazon website and look for that today's deal. As you can see here, when they go to the Amazon website, they want us to locate today's deal since they want to optimize its location because it can be difficult for customers to find what they want on some websites. So now I'm gonna start looking for it, and once I locate it, I'll take a screenshot and store it just as I did previously. Down to step 4, take a screenshot of the Scott Standard Bath Tissue. Now I'm not sure what this is about, but I'm gonna highlight this one and copy it right here. And then I'm gonna go back to the Amazon website and paste the full queue where they just pushed on search, and here it is right in front of you. I'm just gonna click on this image and then I'm gonna snap a screenshot of the full page as confirmation that I did find this Scott tissue paper. So as you can see, this stage is really easy. They want us to test the website because they want to make sure that whenever a customer searches on the Amazon website, that they are able to find the current deal and whatever item they are looking for. So if you offer them proof that the photo or the screenshot indicates that we actually accomplished that assignment, we'll be able to get paid through PayPal. Now, As you can see, the job is very simple. It will only take a few minutes to complete them, and as you gain more experience, you'll be able to complete them faster and faster, and you'll be able to find so many jobs and websites to reveal, and you'll be able to make so much more PayPal money again and again. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comments section down below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.